to set this raised garden bed. We're pretty excited because we actually do a lot of gardening. This thing is almost 20 pounds that came in this thing. It is a heavy box. What we got in here is the instructions. It says in here it's 180 centimeters wide by 90 centimeters long by 29 centimeters. And we're going to put this thing together. This thing in here has got all the parts in here. It's pretty heavy duty stuff, very heavy duty. Got some rounded edges here. Doesn't look like anything you're going to cut yourself on. All the parts in here, we're going to get this thing put together. It even comes with some nice gloves in case you don't have any of your own. Man, these gloves are great. Because you're working with this metal, you never know if you're going to cut yourself, so it's kind of nice to have these. This thing comes with just a few pieces to put this thing together. So you line up the pieces and simply put these screws in through the holes, and then we're going to put these wing nuts in on the other side. You have to have 4 curved ones on the end and 3 straight ones that run the length. That gives you your oval. So you're going to take the screw, line it up, push it through, and then using these wing nuts, put them on the back side and turn them. Now, if you have access to a power screwdriver, you can use those on the back side and tighten them down. That makes it go a little faster. If you don't have a power screwdriver, they also include a handy little wrenchette here that you can use to tighten those down as well. One thing I've noticed is there doesn't appear to be a top or a bottom, so there's not really a wrong way to put this together. If it goes together like this or like this, it doesn't seem to matter. So you can put it together any way you want, any way that you'd like, so it's pretty well foolproof. That was pretty much it. It's all together, came with a few extra spare parts, which is great in case you happen to lose one. Again, heavy duty material. Let's go ahead and move it out so we can get it filled up with some dirt. Now that we've got a raised garden bed, all we got to do is fill it with some soil, and then you're ready to plant. It's that easy.